Hello CIS scholars, today I am back with your coloring activity again. So you have to take out your coloring drawing book, House of Colors, and this time we are going to do the next page. So you have to take out page number 23, that is 2323, and let's start coloring. So children, this is page number 23 where you can see there are two pictures given here. The first picture is of a gift box. As you can see, this is a gift box, and the second picture is of a ice cream cone. Wow, both the things are amazing, right? These both are my favorite things. So first we will start with coloring the gift box. Okay, so like in the last picture also there was no specification about colors, so we have used our favorite colors. Similarly, we can use here also the colors of our choice, right? So here I am going to start with the ribbon of the gift box. So I have taken red color. So first I am going to make the outlines for the ribbon, and you can use any color of your choice. So first make the outlines. We make outlines so that the color does not goes out. So here I am using red color for the ribbon. You can use any color of your choice also. So children, when do you get a gift? We get gifts when we go to a party, in a birthday party, right? When your birthdays are there, you get gifts. When you go to someone's birthday, so there what do you get? Return gifts, right? So like this, we are going to first make the outlines. Do it carefully so that the color does not goes out of the lines. So once the outlines are done, now we are ready to fill the color. So when you are filling the color, you just need to do the coloring in one direction, like this. See. Yes, you can fill the color in one direction. Okay, fill the color in one direction and you are good to go. See, so what we are coloring? We are coloring the ribbon of the gift box. And what is the color of the ribbon? It is red. We are coloring red, right? So the ribbon of the gift box is done. See, now we are going to color the color box. Okay, so now there are circles here, right? In the gift box, there are the design of the circles are there. So all the circles also we need to color. So here also I am going to color it with the red color. Okay. So you can color it with any other color also. All the circles I am coloring with red color. All the big circles are there, I am coloring it with red color. There are different colors used here in different circles, like blue, pink, green, yellow, orange. So you can also color it with different crayons. All the big circles I have done it with red color. And now there's a small circle left, so that I'm going to color it with pink color. Okay, so now all the circles are done. So now we are going to color the box. So now if you see it carefully, there are portions where circles are there and there are only two portions where there are no circles. Can you see this line and this line? There are no circles at all. So this we will be coloring different colors, and these 3 to 4 portions are there. We will color it with blue color. So I have taken blue color. You can take any color of your choice. Okay. So first what we are going to do? We are going to make the outlines. Okay. So first make the outlines. Like this. See, now this is the portion where there are no circles. So here we will be using another color. So again here I'm going to color it with the blue color. See, now here also circles are there. So again here also we are going to color it with the same blue color. Yes, you can see. Okay, now again here there are no circles, so we will be coloring with different color. Yes, so first we have made the outlines. Now we are going to fill the color with blue color. Do it very nicely and neatly so that it will look beautiful. See, once you do the outlines, no, it becomes easier to fill the color. Then you just need to do the coloring in one direction. Just like this. And wherever you are getting the circles, no, you don't need to color above it. Just leave that place. Yes, now only this portion is left. So I'll be doing it with blue color. See, as you can see how beautiful it is already looking. Now it is done. So now only these two areas are left where there are no circles. So here again you can use any color of your choice. Here I am taking green color. Okay, first we need to do the outlines again so that you can fill the color easily. Yes, so I have done the outlines for the other place also. First we are going to do the outlines. Just like this. Okay, now we are ready to fill the color. So it's done. Now the other part. And you need to fill the color in one direction. If you are going up and down, then just do it up and down, okay? Okay, so now our gift box is ready and see how beautiful it is looking. Now we are going to start coloring the ice cream cone. See how yummy it is. So now we can do variations here. Now three areas are there, three parts are there. You can take any one color and draw it here, color it here, or you can take three colors also. Like if you want a chocolate ice cream, so you can use brown color for all the three portions. If you need a strawberry ice cream, you can use a pink color and draw it, color it in all the three. If you need a pineapple, you can use yellow color. So I need all the three flavors. So I'll be doing first with the brown color here. So it is my chocolate flavor. So again, I'm going to make the outline first. Okay, so this is my chocolate flavor. So first I'm going to make the outlines for brown color. Okay, now in the second part I'm going to use strawberry flavor. Okay, so I'm going to make the outlines with pink color. So the second part becomes my strawberry flavor. So the outlines are done for the strawberry flavor. Now the last one, I will take yellow color and will make it the pineapple flavor. Pineapple is yellow in color, right? So we are going to do it yellow. So first we are going to make the outlines. If you want only a strawberry flavor, then you can color it with pink color completely. Okay, so now we have done the outlines. First I am going to fill the color with brown color. See, so this chocolate flavor is done. Now I'm going to fill pink color. So this second portion will be the strawberry flavor. See, once you make the outlines, how easy it is to fill the color inside the shape. See, so this is also done. Now the last is pineapple flavor, where we need to fill the yellow color. Now our above portion is done completely. Now only the cone shape is left. So which again I am going to draw it with brown color. So first I am going to make the outlines like this. Like we always do, we make the outlines first. So I am going to make the outlines. And then we will fill the color. Yes, so outlines are done. Now we just need to fill the color in the cone. So you need to fill the color in one direction like this. So the top portion is done. Now we need to fill the bottom portion. So our ice cream cone is also completed. See how yum it is looking. So this is the gift box and this is the ice cream cone. Both the things are colored beautifully. So children, you all need to quickly complete coloring this page number 23. Complete your work neatly, and then I'll be soon meeting you in my next video. Till then, all of you take good care of yourself and always keep smiling. Bye bye.